How to fix games not opening on Windows 10. Hey everybody, welcome back to a new video. In this video, we're going to learn how we can fix games not opening onto your Windows 10. So without any delay, let's start with the process on how we can fix that issue onto your laptop. But before that, don't forget to hit the like, share, and subscribe icon. So if you're looking for how you can fix your issue of your games not opening onto your Windows 10, just head over to the taskbar by right-clicking on the taskbar. After your taskbar opens up, you're just gonna look up for the option called this one right here, services. Just click on it, and when you go to services, you can find this open services section at the bottom. Just click on that and your service settings should appear on your screen. So after going there, you're just gonna look up for the Windows update at this side of the screen. You're just gonna scroll down until you're able to find the option called Windows Update, and if there is any kind of update available, just stop it. Just right click on that Windows Update and click on stop and wait for the process to be complete. After that is done, just close your services, and the next method you can apply is just go to the file manager, go to your local disk. After that, go to Windows, and after going to Windows, just scroll down until you're able to find the option called software distribution here. Just scroll down and you'll be finding software distribution under As section. After that, just open up the software distribution and you'll be finding this data store and download option. You just need to select both of the files together and delete it together as well. After that, your problem should be probably fixed of your games not opening on your Windows 10, and also restart your device. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.